In today's presentation, we would like to present to you our latest app for iOS entitled Word Detective. With this app, you'll be able to create a word search game with absolutely no programming knowledge. When we open the app, we are greeted with a scrollable main menu in the middle. On the left side, there's Achievements panel where users can keep track of their performance as well as unlock trophies. Now let's select a category. At the bottom there's a list of words that a player needs to find among scattered letters located in the middle. Words can be placed vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Whenever a word is revealed, the user gets additional points. Once the points reach 0, or the user finds all of the words, the game will end. You can modify the timer and create new categories with the use of our CMS. Users can promote and share the app through social media. This app also comes with a support for interstitial and banner AdMob Ads. Optionally, at additional cost, the app comes with support for ads compliant with GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, also known as EU Consent Policy. Our solution allows unlimited amount of ad providers in comparison to 12 offered by Google's Consent SDK, so it's not a problem to add all providers present in your AdMob panel, which amount to over 600. As you can see, users have option to choose the type of ads they want to receive, which can then be changed in the settings panel. At any time, the consent might be revoked. Now I'll show you what the CMS looks like. Under settings, we can change our password. Under menu and items tab, we can create new categories and add words to it. So let's press add button, give it a title, and now in the time, let's say we want 3 seconds, which means every 3 seconds the amount of points will be subtracted. So the higher the value, the more time we get. And here we need a list of items separated by commas. So let's click save, go back, and here's our category with the amount of items, words. You have to remember there's a limit to 9 words and they cannot be longer than 10 letters. So all we have to do is press the on button, and of course you can edit any category or delete it. Just like that. As you can see, very simple and straightforward. When it comes to the project itself, what we have to do is press here, open our code, and this is the line where you need to input your AdMob banner ID. Then here's where we need interstitial ad ID, rate app, a link to Google Play. We need our app ID here. So what you would have to do is go here, copy this thing, and just paste it. Now share message, so you can share any type of message through social media. In this line, more apps, it's a link to all of your apps in Google Play. Finally, menu link, it's the link to your menu PHP file. Here you can set the header, and finally these 3 lines is where we can choose colors for different highlights within the game. Now let's see what the app looks like on real devices. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.